Today, we are comparing actual budget versus Firefly 3, two of the most talked about budgeting tools in 2026. I break down the key differences so you can decide which one really fits your financial style. And for now, let's jump right in. What they are: Actual Budget, modern personal budgeting app focused on simplicity and clarity, syncs with many financial accounts automatically, mobile first with clean user interface. Firefly 3, self-hosted open source budgeting system, highly customizable, ideal for power users. You host it on your own server or platform like Docker. Pricing: Actual Budget subscription service monthly and annual, includes automatic bank syncing and cloud storage. Firefly 3, free, optional hosting costs if you use a provider, cloud, VPS, etc. No subscription required if self-hosted. Quick takeaway: Actual Budget costs money. Firefly is free but may cost for hosting. Ease of use: Actual Budget, very intuitive, ready to use out of the box. Great onboarding for beginners. Firefly 3, powerful but steeper learning curve, requires setup, installing on server or service. Who wins here? Actual Budget for ease, especially for beginners. Feature comparison: Bank and account sync. Actual Budget automatic syncing with most major banks. Firefly manual input or third-party integrations. Budgeting tools: Actual Budget envelope budgets, goals, automated tracking. Firefly 3 fully customizable categories and rules. Deeper control. Reports and analytics: Actual Budget clean graphs and dashboards. Firefly 3 extensive reporting, exportable data, and advanced stats. Mobile experience: Actual Budget native mobile apps with full functionality. Firefly 3 web-based mobile user interface works but not app native. Security and privacy: Actual Budget cloud-based, secured by the service. Firefly 3, you control your data, stronger privacy if self-hosted. Who it is for: Choose Actual Budget if you want automatic syncing with your bank, simple setup and beautiful interface, mobile app access anytime. Choose Firefly 3 if you want full control over your data, deep customization and reporting, a free solution you can tailor. Don't want tech setup? Actual Budget. Love open source and customization? Firefly 3. Drawbacks: Actual Budget, great user interface, recurring subscription. Firefly 3, free and flexible, needs technical skill to set up, no automation bank sync out of the box. Final verdict: So, which one is best in 2026? If you want easy automatic budgeting with clean visuals, go with Actual Budget. If you want total control and customization for free, pick Firefly 3. Both are excellent. It comes down to how much control you want and how much effort you want to put in. And that is it for today's comparison. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison.